Today, there's a vital need for real-time audio-visual communication that connects different devices like CCTVs, landline phones, or conference rooms with different networks. To explain this, let's start with a scenario. As you can see, we have street cameras that are reporting on what's happening in the street, and a dispatch control center with a simultaneous view of all the cameras. We also have a police officer patrolling the area, but is not aware of what's going on in each street. With only limited manpower available, it's not really possible for the dispatch control center or the police to stay on top of everything that goes on in the city. The situation would be greatly improved if we could benefit from real-time audio-visual communications alongside the use of artificial intelligence to automatically analyze the media coming from the street cameras. This would allow the police to react immediately to events as they occur. Using the power of Watson and the Rtcomm WebRTC gateway for Liberty, this innovative iOS mobile and web application allow first responders and dispatch unit personnel to receive live feeds from different security cameras spread across the city. The feeds stream right to their mobile devices or web browsers. This is done immediately as the Watson Visual Recognition Service identifies a triggering event based on predefined rules. The video feeds are accompanied by contextual information that can be layered on top of the footage. The triggering event can be anything from an unusual gathering of people to an indication of fire breakout, car accidents, crime, or any event that the machine learning algorithms of Watson learn to detect and understand. This demo shows the SIP camera directed at a snack table. The application rule has been configured to trigger an alert if a crowd gathers near the table. We don't want anyone eating the snacks before the meeting starts. The Watson Guard application is deployed on Liberty, which runs on BlueMix. Using Watson Guard, the camera recording is transmitted to the media server and stored there. The application samples frames from the recorded stream. These images are sent to the Watson Recognition Service on BlueMix, and when a crowd is detected, the Watson Guard application will ask the media server to forward the live stream to the police officer's mobile application and the dispatch control center's web application. In the meantime, it'll continue recording the stream. This recording can be kept for later offline analysis and review. You can see we've set out a snack table for an upcoming meeting. It's really important that people don't come by and eat up the food before the meeting starts. We're going to use the Watson Guard application to make sure no problems occur in the area. The Dispatch Center console application is a web application running on WebSphere Liberty in the BlueMix Platform as a Service cloud. Here you can see the Dispatch Center console web application. We can see the police officer registering. He now starts his shift and is ready for any alerts that may come in. This police officer has installed a mobile iOS application for Watson Guard on her phone. She's not at the scene of the snack table, but she registers her app so she can be aware of any alerts. Now we see the local Liberty server running. Note the Rtcomm feature and the SIP connector, which is the WebRTC gateway feature. We see that the Rtcomm was configured to work with the external MQTT broker that the applications work with. We use a SIP client program called LinPhone that's connected to our camera. This camera is the one that's guarding the snack table and represents the street camera that would be connected to Watson Guard. We connect to the Watson Guard application on the server. When connected to the SIP client, the application starts streaming the recording to the media server. You can see that the file is now stored on the media server. Watson identified a crowd forming. We can see that the alert was sent to the dispatch control center and the police's mobile application. Clearly, the snacks were too tempting for our villains, and a crowd has formed around the snack table. Watson Guard saves the day. The technology demonstrated shows the unique capabilities of the Liberty Real-Time Communications Platform. With this platform, we use the SIP standard protocol to federate multimedia streams from and to different networks, such as IP CCTV and telephony networks, and easily connect them to WebRTC clients running inside browsers or mobile applications. The WebRTC client is wrapped with the Rtcomm JS library on top of a Cordova plugin for the mobile case, and it uses MQTT for signaling and session establishment. The MQTT signal can also carry the context and metadata related to the transmitted video. The connectivity with media server services is done from Liberty through the standard Java JSR 309, and we demonstrate here how such services like recording, mixing, transcoding, announcement, playback, etc. could potentially be consumed as BlueMix cloud services. When adding the power of Watson for image analysis to the communications platform, we can create many truly unique and innovative solutions based on real-time audiovisual communications and artificial intelligence decision-making. Thank you for your time.